Hello everyone, how's your day today? Welcome to another quick overview for Bitcoin price movement, a technical analysis using an Elliot Wave Theory. So I'm just learning about this Elliot Wave Theory maybe a month, so I'm not an expert, and here I just want to share my outlook for it. So I'm going to talk about different possibilities for the movement of the price, which is cover a bull case scenario and a bear case scenario. So let's continue from our last video. Okay, so yesterday in my last video I talked about how we are still missing the C wave from the ABC correction. So from $25,200 high here, we have an ABC correction, a sub micro ABC correction. So we have an A here and a B here, and I told you yesterday that we're still missing a C wave. So by looking at the chart right now, we are in this disjoint channel forming an ABCDE triangle wave Elliott pattern. Yeah, so it's a little bit unclear about the price movement, but it is at least dropped to this rectangle target that I already drew yesterday. So how I get this is from this 25,200 high, from calculating that the target for the next C wave here around 0.382 until 0.618 Fibonacci retracement. So but the price is actually dropped to as low as 23,700, and it's below the 0.382 Fibonacci retracement here, moving inside this rectangle that I draw, and it going back up again, but it holds in the 50 hourly EMA line here. So this is the resistance, so it's going back again and touch the rectangle again, and now maybe a little bit, but I'm still expecting a further drop from this point of view. Yeah, as far as let me see. So from the wave, this wave here, I'm still expecting a further drop, maybe to around 1.618 Fibonacci retracement here. So I'm going to move this rectangle down below, somewhere around here, in order for this wave to actually in play. So if the price move further, I can assume that that we might have a clear ABC correction pattern here. So yep, maybe somewhere around there, around this box. So yeah, right now I'm still expecting the price to move a little bit farther in order to maybe around 1618 Fibonacci retracement from this trend line here. Yep, so around 23,400 maybe, and it is also making a new low from this low. So with that being said, I can presume that this is just a 1-2 setup, and this is a 1-2 setup, which will make this impulsive wave here, the sub micro impulsive wave, to complete the third microwave here, which will make this this is the first wave and this is the second wave. So this is just I want to set up inside the first sub microwave, so something like that. Yeah, and also I'm going to talk about this bearish divergence that we have from yesterday. So it is I forgot to talk about it yesterday. It is clear that we have a bearish divergence. We have a higher high here and lower high in the RSI here. So it's a bearish divergence, and it might come in play and will make the price move a little bit farther, a little bit deep down. So but as long as the price moves above this low here, which make the microwave from the second microwave to here, I can still considering that the bull case scenario here might still be in play. So we nothing changed from this setup that I draw here. So we are still aiming for the next higher. I'm just going to assuming that this is the one to set up here. It's moving. So we have the one to the first microwave here will be forming right here. So this is the first microwave, and we have one to set up inside the first microwave. So we have a sub micro of 1 to set up here, and which is make this is the second microwave, and this is the first second wave of this sub micro 1 to set up wave to complete the first microwave here. So with that being said, assuming that this is the first wave and we are still missing the third wave here to complete the fifth wave here. Also we're still missing the fourth wave and the fifth wave, the fourth and the fifth micro impulsive wave. So and also this is the sub microwave. So we have 1 2 1 2, the sub microwave 1 2 and 3 4 5 to complete the third micro impulsive wave. So well, actually I don't really know how to calculate this, since this is not really, if I put the sub microwave around here, we have a overlapping fourth wave, so it's a little bit hard to what you call it, to put the wave here. So, also considering that this is might be a, not might be, but this is a leading the diagonal. Yep, it looks like a leading diagonal to me. So we have what do we have here? A leading diagonal. So this is a leading diagonal from this maybe, or from this, yeah, it looks like a leading diagonal from it. So I can draw the line here, a trend line here, and another one here. Oops, from this, sorry. Yeah, it looks like a leading diagonal. Is it, or is it not? Let's see. Yeah, we actually have a leading diagonal here. So on this high here, we can presuming that we reach higher. Let's see it. Sorry, not like that. It's more likely something like this. Yep. So yeah, this is a leading diagonal, so we can put an ABC right there. An ABC. Let's put it in the blue case scenario first. So a leading diagonal means that we have the first wave a 1 2 3 4 5, complete 1 2 3 4 5 here. So this is a 1 2 3 4 5, which is also might be able to play here in this bull case scenario. But so let's I'm going to put an ABC here, a disjoint channel here, since we have a disjoint channel, but not really sure how to, is it really a disjoint channel? So let's see. Can I make it like this? A disjoint channel with an ABCDE pattern. So we have an A obviously here, a B, a C, a D, and an E. Oh no, not like that, sorry. So we have an A, B, C, D, E. Maybe one more D, and the price will drop, something like that. Or maybe like this: A, B, C, D, E, and the price will drop. So let's just put this leading diagonal here. Not leading diagonal. What you call it again? A disjoint channel. So yeah, this is yeah. No matter what, this what you call it? This bull case scenario still be in play. So yep. Oops, I should not move this. Yeah, something like this. Okay, so I'm still expecting the price to move down a little bit farther into this target area here, around 23,400 for this bull case scenario to be able in play. And I just moved this first microwave here, and we're still missing the third. We still have to complete this third sub microwave to complete this third microwave to complete this fifth minuet wave, and also to complete this first impulsive wave, an intermediate impulsive wave. Okay, so that's the bull case scenario. Now let's go to the bear case scenario. So yep, we have a triple correction pattern and a WXYZ from the third impulsive wave to the 17,600 low back then in around 18 June 18, yeah. And I'm assuming that we are now already complete the fourth wave here, which is inside this fourth wave we have a WXYZ pattern which already also complete, and now we are in the impulsive wave down. So as I also said yesterday, I draw this joint channel, this parallel channel, and I'm telling you that we can actually move this, since it's not really working like that. So from the first height to this height to this side, but it's moving around, so it doesn't fall it anymore, but I can just move it like this. So we will be having another resistance here following the 51-hour EMA here, and move it down like this. So yeah, this right here is still my target. It doesn't change. It's still my target for the, assuming that this might be somewhere around here, this still be my target. this still be my target, so can pursue something like this. No. Yeah, it makes sense. Okay, so whether or not it's going to this second wave, or assuming that the second wave might be right here, so this is the first impulsive wave, and we have an A, B, C, D, E, and maybe it's just another consolidating to drop to this third wave. So it might be in play, still in play. So the signal for today is waiting for the price to break above this resistance here, this resistance of this parallel channel here, and retest it and just open it right here, and we are going to the third sub microwave for the bull case scenario. Or let's just wait for the C wave here to complete and open a long position, which I'm pretty sure it's also going up again. Yeah. Okay, yeah, that's my update for today. It's not really have a lot of improvements, since I'm also still waiting for the for more data to come to come to this chart here. I still really don't know about the price movement right now. The best thing to do is just wait for the breakout. We have important resistance here. Let's just delete this parallel channel and make a trend line here. Something like this. Trend line broken. So yeah, following the 50-day EMA. So we have this as our resistance. Following this is the 50-day EMA right here. The yellow line here is a 50-day EMA. So yeah, let's put this here in the trend line for the bear play, the bear case scenario. Yep, and that's it. Let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Hide this first. Yeah, we are in a leading diagonal also here. This is a leading diagonal. Okay, and another one right here. Inside this leading diagonal, we are able to assume that this is the first wave, the second wave, the third wave, the fourth wave, and the fifth wave. Or the fifth wave has not been complete yet, and this is the fourth wave here, somewhere around here. Yeah, the 5 impulsive wave inside a leading diagonal can be in play in Elliot Wave Theory. Since we have a leading diagonal, so the 5 impulsive wave might be in play, and it's not breaking any rule because the 4 wave here able to overlapping the first wave in a leading diagonal, so that's it's valid, but I'm not going to use it. I'm just going to remove it. So in a leading diagonal scenario, we are still going to move down farther, maybe playing with this bear case scenario, and then we are moving to the 5th wave of the leading diagonal impulsive 1 2 3 4 5 wave. Yeah, but still, with that being said, I'm still preferring this join channel here, this bull case scenario here. I'm still preferring the a bull case scenario right here. So yeah, hoping that the price will finish this ABC correction, A, B, and we will be having a C here, and from that we are going to the 13 possible. This is my setup, this is what I prefer, so yeah, something like that. Let's take a look here before we go. We are now in a 5 minutes time frame. We can assuming that the price will be dropping right there, so just draw a Fibonacci retracement here using the 205 minutes EMA, so the target might be around here. This is just a signal for if you want to look, if you're looking for an idea to open a trade now, I'm suggesting that you can open a bear, you can open a short position from this point. Right now, not too far, targeting this position, and after that you can set your long limit and you're going up. That's how it works, I think. So yeah, just draw a Fibonacci trend line if you want to open a long position. This will be your target, a very short-term target. Yeah, but whatever it is, remember, always do your own research and trade at your own risk. I'm not a financial advisor. So that's my update for today. If you like the update, please consider hitting that like button and subscribe. Also turn on that notification bell so you won't miss any update from me. And with that being said, I hope you always be happy and stay healthy, and let's see you again for the next video. And yeah, bye bye.